Alright, what's up everybody? It's Josh here again today, and lately I've been looking on the forums online about preventable things you can do to stop bad things from happening to your Toyota. And one of the things that I found are the rear differential breather, which is this right here. It's right on top of the axle and it can suck up water and dirt straight into there. So I'm actually going to relocate it to right behind this tail light right here, just by putting a little nipple on there and running hose up. Alright, so if you don't know where your rear differential breather is, you can Google it, or on most Toyotas it's going to be right here on top of the axle. There's a little plastic cap on top of it, and it's a 14mm bolt that just threads out. The only tools you're going to need to do this are a 12mm wrench, a 14mm wrench, a 10mm wrench, and a flathead screwdriver. The parts you're going to need are this. I ordered it from Toyota. I'll drop a link in the description. And you're going to need about 8 or 10 feet of 5/16 inch hose and zip ties. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to come under the truck and you're going to take the breather off with your 14mm wrench. It might be rusted and seized on a little bit, but shouldn't be too hard to come out. Alright, so once you have this little breather removed, you're going to want to put it in the end of your hose just by pushing it all the way down, just like that. And then you need a hose clamp to put on there to keep it from coming off. Alright, so that's pretty tight, it's not going to go anywhere. And I guess another good idea before you do that is to blow through your breather, make sure that it's not stopped up. If it is, you probably need to get a new one before doing this. Alright, so you're going to want to pop the rear driver's side tail light out and just feed your hose down through that hole in the bottom of it, but leave your breather up top here. So in the end, your breather's just going to be sitting there. It's not going to be able to get dirty or wet or anything, so hopefully it'll be a lot better. And once I put mine through, I'm going to go ahead and zip tie mine. There's something up in here, not sure what yet. Probably just that support there, just to keep it from going anywhere. Alright, so I have my breather up there and zip tied to that little hole, and then I brought it down, and there's another hole right there I zip tied it to, and then it just runs out through the bottom. And then you can just throw your taillight back on and make sure that it doesn't get in the way of your taillight. Alright, so we're putting the little nipple on the top of the axle. You just thread it in by hand first, and then take a 12mm wrench and tighten it up. Alright, so I ran my hose, it comes out of the taillight there, and then over top of the frame. And then, there we go, there she is. You can see it there a little bit, but it goes straight back from there over the shock mounting point. And then it comes just straight down to your little nipple, and then you throw a hose clamp on it there. And you're all set, your breather's relocated. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on another video.